Our pap making is rounding up beautifully. This is the point where we drain, then wash our grains very, very well. You rinse and drain, you rinse and drain. I did this 3 times. The reason I'm doing this is to remove any fermentation build-up on the grains and stop the pap from drawing, which will cause it to spoil fast. Then, because I'm extra, I'm going to scoop again the same way I scooped on the very first day. This is me making sure I didn't overlook any sand. I didn't actually, but I have to be very sure. I'm going to blend ginger and cloves with my pap. You can peel your ginger if you want. I don't bother peeling mine because even the peel is nutritious. I just scrub it very well and also rinse the cloves very well. You can also add dry pepper or uziza seeds to your pap if you like spicy pap. I have children that drink from it, so not too spicy. Then we move on to blending. If you do not have a strong blender, I'll advise you take this to a grinding place, a clean grinding place, please, because we want this blended or grinded very, very smooth. We will not be sieving this pap. When you sieve pap, you are throwing away important fiber. Fiber is essential for the health of your guts and heart. It stabilizes blood sugar, prevents constipation, eliminates toxins from your body, promotes strong bones, reduces risks of certain cancers, and improves your quality of health. And that is what you are sieving out. Please stop that from today. Stop sieving your pap. And for everyone asking, can 6 months upwards take this? This is exactly the pap they should be taking, not the pap juice stripped of fiber you are giving them. Now the pap is actually ready. You can go ahead and keep this on the shelf or in the fridge. I will show you what to be doing next tomorrow.